You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound.
Hello everyone, Brian here. Welcome back to my channel. As requested, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to withdraw your KDA from Kucoin exchange. First, you need to have a wallet that provides you a K address. I'll be using X Wallet for this tutorial. After you have set up your wallet, you should see K : followed by some random characters under account name. That is your K address. Your K address is the same across the 20 chains. You can try switching the chain ID and you'll still be getting the same address. Now, let's say you already have purchased KDA on Kucoin prior to this. Your KDA will be on your trading account. For withdrawal, you need the KDA in your main account. For demonstration purposes, I'll transfer one KDA to main account. There will be a message displaying success. Now, let's go to main account. You should see withdraw feature under operation. Click on the withdraw. You should see a pop-up stating only chain 1 is supported for withdrawals. Only addresses beginning with K are supported for withdrawals. Click OK. Over select a coin. Make sure it's displaying KDA Kadena. Now, we have to go over to X Wallet and copy K address. Copy your K address and paste it in wallet address. Next, we click on select a network. Click on the only option, which is KDA, and click confirm. Then, type in the specific amount that you wish to transfer or withdraw. And click on withdraw. Don't worry, as there will be one more confirmation before you withdraw. Now, you should see another pop-up. Tamper-proofing confirmation. If withdrawal amount and K address info is correct, click on confirm withdrawal. Remember, each time when you withdraw from Kucoin, there's a 1 KDA fee. As Kucoin stated, the withdrawal will be processed within 30 minutes. But based on my experience, the withdrawals are all completed under 10 minutes. Again, this is depending on the chain. Now, we wait for the status to be completed.
A few moments later.
It's completed now. Let's check on our X wallet. The KDA is here now. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.